Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to get to Deadbolt. Go to 6,300 meters on the desert map where you will find a motel. Defeat 6 mutants here and a Karen boss will burst out of the building. When you defeat the Karen boss you will get a green key. I decided to use a minigun here since when I used the railgun the key kept disappearing. When you get the key, head upstairs and find the door with the green lock. Now use this code to open the next door where you will find a file. Take this file and talk to the person tied up to the sign outside. Now you have unlocked the Deadbolt. Let's use the handbag, which is a new weapon, and it can take out these mutants with 3 hits. Here is the Deadbolt. It is the first vehicle to have jacks supporting it. This makes it easier to place the wheels without them glitching into the ground. After placing all the wheels, the jacks disappear. The jacks don't spawn back after taking off a wheel. Time for a quick look, and I wish this had a back door. The interior has a good layout and everything is easy to find. Sadly, this is only a 2-seater. The acceleration is decent and the top speed is about 97 kilometers per hour with the speedometer saying 191. The braking is poor with the Deadbolt finally stopping at the end of the bridge. The fluids consumption is very good overall. Let's see the top speed of the Deadbolt with the truck wheels. With these wheels the acceleration is slow, but the top speed is now around 128 kilometers per hour. Final thoughts on the Deadbolt are overall it's a good vehicle with good stats, and I believe it is worth getting. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.